Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm throwing in kind of a bonus video. Hopefully I can get it edited this weekend. I'm going to be decluttering all of my well, I'm not going to be decluttering all of them. I'm going to be go-throughing all of my MeNow liquid lipsticks. If you didn't know what this brand was, they are actually an eBay brand that I became aware of because a YouTuber named Dinah. I really love her content, and her, like, one of her bigger videos when she was first coming up on YouTube was the MeNow eBay liquid lipstick brand. They have a ton of colors. As you can see, I have the entire collection, and I've had them for about 2 years now, and I've decided that I need to declutter some of them. I'm not gonna wear all of these. Like, this is enough liquid lipstick to last you a lifetime. So I'm going to declutter some of these to my niece because I think she will get more use out of them. She's more, you know, doing her makeup as a teenager, and I think that some of these colors she will love and appreciate. And, you know, I think that if you can't use makeup, now mind you, if these were like 3 or 4 years old, I would be like, I'm not giving them to you, I gotta throw them out. But they're not, like, they're like 2 years old. I've never done a video on my channel about these, but I think that that has kind of come and gone. If you guys are interested in like a super swatch fest of like 1,000 freaking lipsticks, Dinah does an amazing one, and I will keep them for now just in case I get a comment. I doubt I will, but I'm going to put all the ones that I'm decluttering in a bag, and then the next time I see her, I am going to declutter them because there's way too many in here, and I did do like a lipstick declutter, but like I'm accumulating a billion more, it seems. So yeah, guys, if you guys would like to see me declutter like 1,000 freaking lipsticks, then stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I am, you know, getting over YouTube's new changes, but I hope you guys subscribe to my channel if you're watching this so that you guys can see my videos, because you probably will not see them any other way. Alright guys, thank you guys so much, and yeah, let's get into that video. Alright guys, so you're in front of my window. I'm sure you guys know this place very well because I do a lot of my swatches, and if you don't, then you need to subscribe. Alright? Okay, so I'm sorry that you have to stare at my naked nails. They do have like glittery polish on them, but I have no nails on. I was not going through that this weekend. Alright, so we're gonna start with these ones. Now, these are like the dragon lipsticks, but I'm pretty sure they're made by the same. They have absolutely nothing on them anymore. They did say like the everlasting lipsticks, so they're just called Dragon. I will link all of this stuff because I guarantee I'll still be able to find it, but this is their colorful version, and as you can tell, I haven't worn some of these, but I have worn them a lot. In the 2 years I've had them, I love colorful lipsticks for YouTube videos. Now, I don't necessarily wear them in real life, like a whole ton, but in YouTube videos, I've worn them a lot. So we've got like a metallic blue here, which is 08. There we go. And this one is a little bit sheer from what I can remember, so I am just going to declutter that one. I am going to keep the black one because it's pretty much the only black liquid lipstick, and with 2 layers, it's okay. This purple one, I am definitely going to keep, as well as the other purple one. Some of these can be a little bit sheer, but completely buildable. I'm telling you, liquid lipsticks are the easiest things to build, especially if you don't want to wear them for a shit ton of time. Also, this purple one, pretty damn opaque, even without 2 coats. This blue, I just got another blue that I can't quite find from Essence. I think it's a little bit darker than this, but I don't know, something about the colors makes me want to keep them. This dark green, like, who the heck doesn't want a dark green? Now, as you can see, like, that's gonna need some damn well building, but still beautiful colors. I still want to keep them, so we're gonna keep those. I'm trying to get a wipe out so that these don't super dry on my hand. These are liquid lipsticks. They're liquid lipsticks. They dry matte, like this. See, I'm getting like, I hate that with liquid lipsticks. Now, this is the one I am wearing today. It is in 22, and it is just a beautiful, like, berry tone. These are very opaque. They're colorful ones, not as much. So this one I'm definitely going to keep. This is another one I'm going to keep in 25. This is like a really, really pretty hot pink. Going to keep that one as well. This one is in 36. It is a metallic. Oh, yeah, it's getting kept. Sorry, guys. All right, this one in, let us see, 26. That's super light. I doubt I would wear that. Keep, go, keep, go. Let's keep it. This one I'm definitely keeping in 18. It is like a very, very earthy type of a shade. Brown, but beige. Very pretty. I like that one a lot. Let's see here. This one I'm going to keep as well. It's a very pumpkin-y type of shade. Gonna like that one. These smell amazing too, by the way. Very candy-ish, very sweet. This one is in 24. This one, uh-oh, the stopper just pulled out of this one. All right, this one, no, it's going. It's like one of those metallic-y ones. It's like a peachy metallic. I'm gonna get rid of that one. This one is a pink, and it is way too vibrant. I'm gonna get rid of this one. This one is in 35, and that one was in 24. And I color-coded all of these because I wanted to use them, and honestly, I don't even care now. The way I color-coded them, by the way, is I put whiteout on the top, then I put the lipstick on the top, let it dry because it's a matte lipstick, and put, what am I saying here? I put nail polish over top. Gosh. Okay, this one I am keeping. This is a really beautiful, like, it's not really coming off. It's coming too pink on the camera, but it's like a very, very pretty, like, maroony pink. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna get some oil and I will be right back. Just a little thing. This L'Octane, I get a bunch of these samples. This is like my second or third one. It's the Supple Skin Oil. Really good for taking swatches off of, like, with liquid lipstick, eyeshadow, any of that stuff. Really, really good. Just literally take some, rub it in. Ooh, these MeNow liquid lipsticks, they're intense. Like, it takes, you let them set and you're stuck with them for a bit. Now I find they come off the lips a little bit easier than they come off your hand. Don't know why, but they do. All right, let's continue going on. So this one's 03, and it is a, oh, that oil made my hand. There we go. And yes, as I said, this is in number 3, and I'm going to keep it. It's just a mauvey nude. This one I'm definitely going to get rid of. It is in 34, and it is like a sparkly, very color. Not into it. I'm going to get that one. Oh my gosh. This one I'm going to keep, but probably will never, ever, 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 ever wear. This is 37, and yes, it's as bright, but the only thing is, oh, the stopper. Again, these stoppers don't like staying in. I'm never going to wear that, chances are, but if I wear it in a video and, you know, I wear it for 2 hours, I'm happy. Like, I bought it. Like, I want to get some use out of it. This one I think I'm going to give away as well. Oh. And some of these are so, like, I've had them for so long that the lids just, like, and especially because my hands are slippery now. Just trying to get that slipperiness off my hand. Here we go. And this one is in 10. Again, the stopper came out, and it's just like a bronzy one. I'm not into it, and the stopper has fallen, so off we go. These two, I don't even want to swatch them. They're pretty much the same color, and they're way too light for me. I am never gonna wear these. These as well, oh gosh, let's swatch them. They're just, some of them in the pile are so light. I'm sure that, again, with the stopper. I think it's just because I haven't brought them out in a while. And that is why I'm doing this declutter, to bring them out and use them. Oh, yeah, okay. I'm going to keep this one because I think that would be awesome for putting over another lipstick, if you know what I mean. And then I've got these two, which obviously are super light. Let's look at the pigmentation. Oh, the pigmentation on that one is so good. Yeah, I'm going to keep this one. Oh, gosh, chances are I'm not going to wear it. And then we have this one, which I don't have a number on this one. But I will link you to, oh, again with the damn stopper. Like, really trying not to. Okay, I'm just gonna do it with the stopper out. Oh, that is really pretty too. I want to keep it. Should I keep it? Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Okay. So, we've got a really bright orange like the last one. This one's a little bit less intense though, so I think I might actually keep this one as well. Oh yeah, it's a lot darker. Then I've got this one in 02. It's just like a pretty mauve-y nude. Gonna keep that one. Going to definitely keep this one. It's so pretty. I don't have a number for this one as well, but it's like one of those purpley, very pretty. And then I've got this one, another one. This is 02. 02. Oh, I think I have doubles. Okay, so this one can be given away. I do not keep doubles of like anything except for maybe like foundation. This one is an 11. This is a really, really intense pink, but I do remember liking it. Oh yeah, wow. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I'm going to keep this one. And I've got number 19, which, nah, I'm not going to keep that one. I've got too many similar. And then we've got this one, which is a metallic orange, and I'm going to give that one away as well. This one, I'm not even going to swatch. It's number 14. Oh, let's swatch it. Too light. Not going to deal with that one. This one is number 6, and it is again a metallic. It's pretty, but I don't need it. Let's see. Okay, we're down to our last few here. This one is also a metallic. And, ooh, that one's really pretty, though. You know what? I'm going to keep the one metallic. And let's just wipe off these swatches again. And I'm just going like this. Look at that. It's a bloodbath. And we're going to wipe as much as we can. Oh, gosh. All right, so now I've actually got like all the reds in my hands right now. And having a red liquid lipstick is a very good thing, obviously. So this one is in 09. Very, very pretty orangey red. Going to keep that. Then I have another very orangey red. Ooh, those are so similar. Like, oh my gosh, I want to keep them both though. I'm going to keep them both. Oh, don't kill me. Okay, this one I'm definitely keeping in 05. If I can get the lid off to swatch it. And yes, I am using my teeth. Go me. Ooh, it's a little bit sheer. I can't even believe that. I'm going to keep this. I want to try this out. Then I've got this other like pumpkin-y, much darker pumpkin-y color. Very, very pretty, of course. And then last but not least, I have 04 right here, and I'm not going to keep it. It's a metallic. It's kind of orangey. Not going to keep that one. All right, guys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 to give away. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, I hit ya. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, no. I'm getting rid of this metallic. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 lipsticks. I narrowed it down a bit, and hopefully next year I can either pan some of the colors or pan some of them this year, actually, I should say. Just getting those swatches off of my hand. And yeah, hopefully I can actually use a few of these instead of giving them away or throwing them away. That would be awesome. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'm just like pumping you up here because I'm not... Let's back up and sit. There we go. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you guys so, so much. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Yeah, and all of that good stuff. I love you guys so much. And I've got to go do my laundry. Do not forget, you can watch this video, or you can click on my face and subscribe to my channel. All right? I love you guys. Bye!